Okay guys, welcome to the channel. Riding with Harry. He's gonna ride my 300L. I'm gonna ride 2020 250L.
That's it.
And it's been a long time since I rode 250L since I sold mine, so we'll see how this. Whoa, it's different. Your your suspension is softer or something. I don't know. That felt different. It don't feel as tall. It feels shorter. My legs are bent more. Okay, go ahead. Whoa. Everything feels different. Yeah, your clutch feels different.
I'm having trouble with your clutch.
Yeah, I am too with this one. It's like...
Your clutch is way lighter.
Yeah, this one feels stiffer and...
Yep.
It's crazy, the difference. So whenever I got that 300L, me and Harry went on a ride, and I have the video on my channel here, but we swapped bikes. I got on this one, he got on that one, and I told him now we're out riding. I said, well, let's swap bikes. It's been a long time since I rode it, and see the difference now after me being used to the 300L, getting back on a 250L.
Well, this bike seems bigger.
Yeah, this one feels dumpier, like it's short.
Now, careful now, careful.
I don't mean short height-wise, like from where I'm sitting to the front.
Yeah.
It's like like there's not as much room. The handlebars feel lower or something, and
yep.
Well, them are the tall Jimmy Button bend bars too. That might make a difference in the height.
Mine's bone stock on that kind of stuff.
You still tell you're on a Honda.
Sounds the same.
It's smooth. This thing's smooth, no doubt.
Don't turn.
Yeah, don't turn. That's not so bad. What bothers me sometimes is I'll be coming down through here, somebody be pulling up to the side street there coming out, and they stop and they wait till you get right up on them, then they lunge forward.
And you take off, yeah.
Well, or they're not planning on taking off, they just lunge forward. It makes you think they're going to.
Oh, yeah.
Man, this feels so much different. It's crazy. Your power is definitely like...
No, I've got the seat concept seat. You've got the upgraded one. This one here is wider and it's much more plush.
Yeah, I can actually feel that yours feels stiffer.
Yep.
And it also feels skinnier.
It is what it is, yeah.
Yeah, I can feel the difference.
You got the wide one.
Well, I got a wide butt too.
Well,
that'd make a difference. It almost feels... I ain't saying that about 250L because I own one for years. I love 250Ls, but it just feels like I'm on a moped or something here. Yeah. Wow, it's actually fun. I can feel when I get on the gas too, I can definitely feel the power difference. But it was back in the day when I had the 250L and I had no plans of ever riding a 300L. I mean, they didn't have one at first, and then even when they came out with it, I was like, I really don't want one. I'm happy with my 250L. I don't want a 300L. And then it's Harry's fault that I got it.
I'm bad on influence.
Yeah, he influenced me. So, and if they would have never come out with a 300L, I'd still be perfectly happy on a 250L as I am on that bike right there. Because I didn't find any faults with the bike.
If you only got the 250, you won't know the difference ever. Exactly.
If you got a 250L and you're happy with it, just keep it. And don't worry about it. Because these are super good bikes. Yours is real smooth.
Yeah, I've not got any gripes with that little bike at all, other than everybody wants more horsepower sometimes. That's about it.
Yeah, it's like when I give it gas, yours is a lot smoother. Mine wants to kind of lunge forward more, a little more torque. You can feel it.
I'll tell you what, I noticed more difference in the clutch than anything.
I definitely felt that right off the bat.
Yeah, matter of fact, I was kind of slipping your clutch and just, I don't know, I was doing something, it wasn't the same, and I was kind of revving the engine up.
Yeah, see, I was the opposite on this one. I let on the clutch and it lunged forward. I was like, whoa. It felt so much different. This is fun to ride a 250L again. I think if you ride one just for a few days, I'll be back into this bike and never even notice I'd never miss the 300. You know what I mean?
I think you're right.
I think it's because this bike just already feeling real good. And
just sitting up here after you get used to the handlebars being a little wider or taller or something, and the seat being softer, it's just like being on my bike.
yeah, I can tell on this one that my hands feel closer together.
Yeah.
Like the bars are not as wide.
I'm opened up more on this one.
That's pretty cool. I was glad I did this.
Now you just need to get a video of a picture of your bike in it finally.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to do that.
Down here's the old black schoolhouse. You want to turn left or right?
Whichever way you want to go.
Left will take us back toward, Butterfield.
Yeah.
The other way will take us right back, kind of back where we was coming from.
Either way, I'm good for anything. I like you being the leader. I'm always the leader.
Yeah, you are. Natural born.
Natural born leader.
I don't like having to make big decisions, so I just follow.
Oh, what gear? It is kind of weird because I don't know what gear. I guess I am in 6th gear.
You should be able to tell if you're running. I can't remember right now. My Miata, I know exactly where the gearing is on it at 3,000 RPM. You're running 60 miles an hour on my Miata.
Yeah, this one I'm doing, it's 4,000. I'm doing 40.
Yeah. Hey, we can go to the poultry swap.
Have you ever been there?
Yes.
I've been there a few times.
Yeah. I sold a bunch of stuff there, a year or two ago for me.
Just auction stuff, not poultry.
Wasn't no chickens or anything. Just had a bunch of stuff I wanted to get rid of. They sold them. Didn't make much money, but they got rid of them.
Yeah. I got a bunch of stuff I need to sell. I need to have a yard sale, I think.
I think it'd be easier to give it away as to have a yard sale.
Probably. I don't know. It's ridiculous. I've tried to give stuff away before and people are like, well, would you bring it to me? Could you bring it to me? It's like...
I can leave stuff down there where I live on the highway. I can put it down by the end of the driveway and put a sign. It's gone at the end of the day. You know, you can take your sign sometimes.
I had a couple rick of wood one time. Probably 2.5 rick of wood. I cut it up, but it didn't split it. And I kind of just posted for free. And most people, I mean everybody, in fact, said, is that delivered?
Yeah, oh yeah.
I just replied back to them, said, would you like for me to stack it on your back porch for you too?
Well, yes, that'd be nice.
I mean, I'll split it and stack it for you.
For free?
Goodness gracious. It's like giving away vegetables. We had the garden there one time, had a bunch, way too much for us. So I told people at work, hey, if you want some zucchini, some yellow squash, tomatoes, all kinds of stuff, peppers, just come on down. We're like, well, could you bring it to work?
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Oh, look at that asphalt's soft.
Yes, it is. I've heard the bubbles popping. You imagine when it's 100 degrees, it's only 80.
Yeah. And it's not been sunny 100% of the time.
Right.
I'll tell you what, these little bikes, you're going to win no races on them, but they sure are fun.
They're a lot of fun. Like this, I was just thinking that right before you said that, because this bike, like I said, I'm just totally getting used to it now. It feels just if I ain't thinking about it, I don't realize we swap bikes here. Doing this kind of riding, it doesn't matter which one you're on.
No, it doesn't really. They've all got a little quirky. Every bike's quirky in its own way.
Everybody wants more power, but really, do you really use it? I mean, I don't. I don't race.
If I'm going someplace out on, you know, 2-lane blacktop, bigger roads, I'll run 55 and sometimes 60.
Yeah.
And I don't have any problem at all. That little bike, it doesn't struggle. It just does it. But I have learned if you wrap it out to about 7 grams between shifts, it works a lot better.
A lot better. Yes, it does. That's about the perfect RPM to shift on this thing.
Yeah, for best power.
Right.
Now, tooling around, I don't worry about that.
Hopefully ain't got too much wind noise. I changed my mic location, and because for some reason
I've tried to keep my shield down so you don't get a lot of whistling on my end.
I can't hear nothing through here, through the center. I'm just hoping it don't come through on the video, a bunch of wind noise. Look at them hay bales. Everybody's baling that hay.
Yeah, my little place only made 36 bale.
Really? You ain't got no cattle, do you?
No.
But my place wouldn't make 1 bale.
I've got what you call an oleo farm.
Oleo?
Yeah, it's a cheaper spread.
Yeah. Big time farmer.
Yep. A lot of hay.
Well, I definitely saved quite a bit on gas. That thing gets over 70 miles a gallon, and of course I use the premium, which costs more than it does the Ranger, but as far as how much I burn, it's a lot of difference between the Ford Ranger and the 300L.
Oh yeah. I filled up mine just before I met you today, and I put premium in it. I've been running just regular in it, but it's been sitting so much, I thought, well, I'll put premium and run some premium through it.
Oh, your vehicle?
Yeah, on what you're on my bike.
Oh, the bike.
Yeah, a lot of times I'll just put regular standard octane in it.
Yeah.
If I know I'm going to ride it a lot, if I'm going to let it sit, I'll fill it up with premium if I'm not riding it.
I can't really say that I can tell a huge difference in either one. I really can't tell it.
I just do it because it's ethanol free.
Right. But I've been running ethanol free premium in that 300L anyway, but because it's on the bike, you don't burn so much. It ain't so bad on your wallet.
Can you buy ethanol free regular here in town?
Yeah. Or no, not regular, no.
Yeah.
Everywhere it's premium.
Go to down in Arkansas, around Bearville and Huntsville. They sell regular premium ethanol free.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what's the price on that compared to?
It's a little higher than regular, but you know,
yeah.
You don't have, it's not as high as ethyl.
Right. It's been a while since I rode the 250L for sure.
Yeah, it has. It's been over a year.
Yeah.
Since you rode that one.
Yeah, that's right. I'd have to look back at the video, the date on the video, and see when that was. You had yours a little while.
Yeah, I don't remember when the last time I remember you riding it's right after you got this 300. And we swapped bikes up here at Butterfield and changed over.
Yeah, I remember that.
I was nervous. I thought, please don't let me drop Frank's new bike.
Yeah, I don't like riding somebody else's bike.
Makes you nervous a little bit.
Yeah. It's not so bad if I'm riding this one and you're riding mine, so if I trash yours, then you got to buy a good bike there, see?
Works out good.
If you crash mine totally out, I got a 250L.
That's right.
I'm not without.
With about the same kind of hand guards and skid plate and everything you've got.
Yeah. Or you'd be like some of those people, they borrow something off of you, bring it back trash, and don't mention a thing. Just
yeah, borrow your trailer and come back with flat tires.
Yeah. Don't bring your straps back to you.
I'm just happy when the trailer shows up.
Well, that was pretty cool. Pretty cool to ride the 250L again. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Check out the links below. Catch
I
y'all.
may not give this bike back.
Yeah, he's got to give it back now. You know, whenever. We can keep riding like this, for we're not near home yet. Catch y'all next one. Right on.